Hi, I'm Sherry, and I'm going to explain to you why I am interested in being part of the Library League program this year. As a member of the second cohort of the Librarian League, I really felt like I was able to grow in my profession and become more confident in my leadership at my campus and other places throughout the district. For example, I was on the benefits steering committee this summer for health insurance, and it appears that in a few weeks or possibly months, I'm not sure of a time yet, I will be speaking in a board meeting on our behalf. So there's that, and I don't think that I would have ever felt confident enough to do that without having participated in the Library League. So this new program for me is an opportunity to continue to grow as a librarian and also to continue to gain even more confidence in my leadership role on my campus and in the district. And hopefully it will open up more opportunities for me and give me the ability to present new ideas. One of my goals that I've never told anyone before, but one of my goals is I would like to present at TLA one year. Don't know what or when, but that is something that I would like to work towards and work on. So that's why this program is appealing to me and why I want to be a part of it. And so I'm just happy to have the opportunity to apply, and hopefully you'll take what I said and it'll all work out for the best. So thanks a bunch, and we'll be seeing you.